Struggling to write scripts and prompt to get good AI videos that are actually consistent? Meet Agent Opus. Agent Opus turns your audio or text into a complete, watchable short video, perfect for promoting your product, explainer videos, even to create B-roll. Let's have a look at an example, and after I'll show you how easy it is to do.
Race through our solar system with the 8 incredible planets. Mercury, the smallest and fastest, scorched by the sun. Venus, our evil twin, wrapped in toxic clouds. Earth, the blue jewel, home to life. Mars, the red warrior, with giant canyons and ancient rivers. Jupiter, the gas giant king with its great red spot. Saturn, stunning with its icy, shining rings. Uranus, tilted sideways, spinning in the cold. Neptune, the windy blue ice giant, farthest from the sun. 8 worlds, each one unique, spinning together around our star.
Okay, first off, you want to decide your style. You press this button here and you have a variation of choices to choose from. You can even make your own style. I created one that is Nolan, so based on Christopher Nolan's work, which influenced the version we just saw. Very cinematic. But I have also used Marcinelle, animation, and many more. The next one is here, where you can add your character, logo, or object, like I have done here in this example, where I've added this female and this object. You can see here that I have used my Nolan style, meaning a bit more cinematic, which works really well as Agent Opus use Seedance 2.0. The next step is to choose your voice. You can either choose from many of the high-quality voices inside of Agent Opus, or you can upload your own audio. And this is quite useful if you already have a pre-recorded audio file. And finally, the aspect ratio. So what you want to do next is to write a basic description of what you want to create. And when you combine that with the style, assets, and audio, Agent Opus will generate both the script and the scenes for you. And once the video is finished generating, you are presented with this, where you can of course check your video, and if you want to, you can even regenerate the scenes. You can change the start frame, the end frame, you can write what you want to change in each specific scene, which is so helpful because you don't need to go back and re-prompt for example, this specific angle of Jupiter or the colors were wrong. You can just write, change colors to more orange, and after a few seconds, you're going to get a new frame and a new scene that will be inserted into the video. So it's almost like having an AI editor, since you don't need to prompt every scene yourself and edit it back into the sequence. But like all AI tools, you might not get it right in only one generation, and you have to do some manual editing like I did in this short sequence, which consists of 3 separate generations.
Lungs burning, throat raw. Every step up that rocky mountain trail feels like dragging lead through pine dust. She drained her last water 12 minutes back. Fingers already brushing the emergency stop button on her watch. Then she spots it, half tucked under a fir root, condensation beating down the cold plastic. She twists the cap. One swallow, the electrolytes hit fast. Not the syrupy burn other drinks leave. Just clean, sharp energy unfurling behind her ribs. She doesn't pause, doesn't celebrate, just leans forward, hits her stride again, and keeps climbing. Next time you hit that wall, reach for Seebreeze.
I've put a link to Agent Opus below, and if you sign up through it, you'll get extra free credits just to get started. And let Agent Opus do the heavy video generation and editing for you. I'm sure you're gonna love it.